Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark theme in Excel. If you're tired of the bright screen and want a more comfortable experience, this will help a lot. So let's dive in. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once Excel is open, go to the File tab in the top left corner of your screen. Now scroll down and click on Account at the bottom of the menu. Here you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Office Theme. Click on it and you'll see a few options. Select either dark gray or black. Both will give you that dark mode experience. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the dark theme in Excel. As you can see, everything looks a lot easier on the eyes now. Now that your Excel is in dark mode, you can enjoy a more comfortable working environment, especially during late-night sessions. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.